Hey everybody, we just got back from Target and we got 4 new monster trucks. Let's see what they are.
Yeah.
First up, Mario! If you haven't seen the new Mario movie, you should go see it. It's fun. It's good. I watched it at the theaters. Next up is T-Rex. Next up, we have Yoshi. As I said, go watch the new Mario movie. It's super fun. Right, Kyle?
Yeah.
And Mad, yellow, red and green. Scary Bowser. These are all the other monster trucks that we had. As you see, we got this car monster truck, and our Gravedigger, and that. Now let's get to opening the trucks. Mom is gonna hold the phone. We can use them whenever we want.
Hold on, baby. Right now we're trying to do this one-handed.
Mommy, what's that again? Here.
Sorry for the shaky video, baby.
Mommy,
Carl, get out of the video.
No, he's opening his. You got Bowser. JJ, do you need help?
No, I got it.
Alright, Kyle, I'm gonna get the T-Rex one open, okay? I know you do. And here we have T-Rex.
You look so cool.
This
This right away. Comment your favorite monster truck in the whole world.
According to this, his name is Mega Rex. I can't get it to focus though. Can't actually see that very well, but that's what it says. All right, JJ, what you got?
I can't open it.
You need help.
Yes. And look at what Mega Rex came with. It came with a smashing a car that you can smash. I get to open
Here
Yoshi.
is the Mario car.
Kyle, can I open Yoshi?
Here, JJ.
My favorite character. Next we got Yoshi.
A lot of stuff.
Yeah! Yeah!
Okay, there's one that's called Rhino Mode.
And there is Yoshi. Show him off, Kyle.
Yeah, he's just
Nice.
Bad scoop. It's an ice cream truck.
All right.
Snake bite.
JJ.
I hope you liked the video. You can find these at Target. Bye. Like and subscribe. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.